Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I want to show you how to transfer all your pictures, contacts, and all your files from your old phone to your LG Stylo 4. Now what you're going to do is, if it's an Android phone, you're going to go to the Google Play Store, which ours is right here. So go to the Play Store and you're going to do a search for LG Mobile Switch, and make sure you have the one that says Sender. You're going to download this app or install it. Give that a few seconds to download. And then on your LG phone, you're gonna go to your apps and look for LG Mobile Switch. You're gonna open that app up as well. Oh, one more time. LG Mobile Switch. So we're gonna open this up on the LG phone, and now that it's downloaded on our other phone here, we're going to hit open, accept all the conditions. So now you have to decide how you want this transfer to happen. So there's a few ways you can do it. You can take files that are from a memory card. You can do it over Wi-Fi, which is the way I recommend, or you can use a USB cable, which you will need a special USB cable to do this. So the way that usually makes the most sense is wireless. If you have a phone where all your information is backed up on a memory card, then you'd want to use the SD card option, just as an FYI. I'm going to simulate this using the Wi-Fi again, because I feel like if you're at home or you're somewhere where you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, you'll get a pretty fast transfer that way. So hit wireless, and hit wireless on the other phone as well. And then we're going to select, so we are the receiver or receive, and we hit start on both phones, and they're going to search for the other phone. So on the old phone here, I'm going to tap LG Stylo 4. It has found it, and now they're both trying to connect. Hit receive on the other phone. Sorry, it's a little blurry. And then once they're connected, you'll see on the old phone all the things that you can transfer. So under personal data, it says 14 megabytes here. Let me clear this up so you can see it better. So you will be able to transfer your call log, contacts, messages. Not all the messages. I know I have way more than 5 megabytes of messages, but downloaded apps. So it will go through and it will basically take all the apps you have on the old phone and put it on your Stylo 4. And media, so pictures and music and videos, that's 11 gigs there. So you got to be careful when you do this transfer though, because like this is, I'm using the S9 as the example, and this is a 64 gig phone. Stylo 4 has 32 gigs, so obviously you can't transfer that much, so you got to be careful there. But basically, you're gonna select which things you want it to transfer over. It lost connection, so we've got to connect again here. But select which things you want to transfer over. Here we go. And then, there we go. Hit that connect one more time. After you've selected everything, it will begin the transfer. And you'll just want to leave both phones right next to each other. So it will give you an estimated time of how long it will take to do the transfer. Let's say I just want to get rid of all this stuff, and maybe I just want some of the personal data. So I'm just going to simulate the process so you guys can see what it looks like. So I'm just going to uncheck all these boxes here, and we're just going to transfer my call log. So I have that selected. I'm going to hit next here, and that's going to simulate the process. So that transfer obviously happened super quick because it's just contacts. Hit done. And now on the other side here, the Stylo 4 is receiving everything. And it will again give you an estimate of how long it'll take. Sometimes I recommend to do things in sections. So like just do your messages, just do your contacts, just do your call log. because if you don't have time for it to sit there for hours to transfer everything, then this might be the fastest way is to just do it in sections. And when you're finished, it is prompting us to restart the phone, so you'll want to do that. And that's it, guys. That's just a quick rundown of how you transfer all your information from your old phone to your new phone. Hope you guys did find that helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2TechVideos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care and have a good one.